So we're back. I think my phone ran out of storage, so it could happen again, and I'll just have to piece these parts of the videos together. So because there's so many like layers of looking at things dimensionally as they're revealed, like truths in this institution, truth about this kind of money thing, truth about this person's behavior, or this, you know, inverted structure, there are so many layers to these truths, and there's so many fractals and angles to look at it from. I personally can't find one solid truth. I can't sit to the left or to the right unless there is something I see where my center column announces something as truth for me. That's me being in my center. So what I'm leading to is that I have to stay right in the middle with everything that I observe, and this year has been a real practice in that, of having things that I've known about for many years come out into the public light, becoming aware of things through many different perceptions, many of my different ways of perceiving things, through people sharing, through it being in public eye, through knowing, and having to still maintain my center, because let's just be honest, what we're doing here is more about the positive vibration of the heart. It's just about being happy and maintaining the middle point, because both are in many ways like illusions. And for me, love is the only truth. So when I say the left and the right are both illusions, I don't know what I'm really trying to say there, but let's lead it back to the actual point. For me personally, everything that's been happening on this planet, I have to stay centered in the way I perceive it and observe it. So there's been a lot been going on this past week, this past weekend. Everything just feels really different to me. I can't say exactly what it is or the why, but something has really freed up. It's just gone like these kind of blockages within the streams, the energetic streams of this specific reality have just gone, this linearity, this kind of, this has to happen and then that has to happen, is just like things have blown out. So this sense of this is the only way has disappeared, and there's a whole lot more freedom flowing through, at least my experience of the space. Things have become a lot more spherical, like 360 degrees in the way that we can approach and choose and what's now available. The blockages aren't here as strong. Now right now, if I'm speaking kind of like energetic speak, so if I'm talking and it doesn't make any sense to you, that's totally fine. I won't bother explaining it, but if it does make sense to you, it's because you're meant to understand it, type of thing. So I was wanting to do a little bit of a meditation here, and then a butterfly came past me just now. 2 butterflies. So I was wanting to do a little bit of a meditation, and then if anything else wants to be said, I will say it. That's kind of a pretty good plan for life. So the point for me of this is centering, restabilizing, and acknowledging the huge shifts. Acknowledging where we are, where we've been, where we've come from, where we're going, and finding the center with all of that. Of just like coming back to the soul stream, coming back to the soul awareness, coming back to the soul's awareness of we are right here, right now, and pulling out of this kind of structure of illusion. I say that lightly, illusion lightly, but just really coming back to this, oh my God, I'm fucking incarnated right now, and I'm hugely powerful. I put myself here, and I'm taking myself wherever I'm going next. And let's just be with that for a minute, and yeah, be with that power. Okay. So let's just take a few breaths. Using your hands, place them on your knees if you can. Just lifting tall through your spine. And breathing in and out through your nose. And we're going to breathe into our bellies, kind of like we did before. And I'm going to kind of settle into a meditative state, and then I'll just guide a little bit, but you can do your thing or listen to me. All right? So let's do it. wherever you are right now, just bring your attention. I know that my body needs this just because where I've been, but you might be feeling quite grounded. Either way, just bring your attention to your hips and the base of your spine, and just imagine you're grounding your energy right down into the earth. So regardless of whether you're on the ground, in a house, in a vehicle, whatever, just grounding your awareness right down into the center of the earth, right down through the base of your spine. 3 breaths doing that. Just gently allowing it to ground down. Okay, and the next kind of focus is just imagining that earth energy now rising up through your hips, up through your center, and releasing out all energies that aren't yours. So that energy, that earth energy, will rise up, support your energy systems, and just release all that isn't yours. Just imagining that. And now, just calling all of your attention, all of your awareness, all of your energies, all of whatever you want to refer that to, but just call all of your awareness fully back to you, right into this kind of center part of your body and being. Just bring your awareness back to you. And to finish off, what we're going to do is, I like to just kind of say relax or open your crown chakra, but just relax the top of your head. And if you want, I imagine the light of heaven, or just the highest light, or the light of God, or the light of the universe, if that works for you. I just relax, soften my head, and ask for the light, my personal soul light, to ground fully right into my physical body, right down to my hips. It's a really nice feeling. So just try that if you'd like. Close your eyes, just letting that light just kind of pour down into your body and being. And just let it ground down through your legs and your knees, grounding it through your calves, your ankles, and your feet. Now bringing the palms of your hands together, plugging your thumbs into the center of your chest. 3 breaths to finish off, and just feeling for your heartbeat. Okay, we're done. So thank you for being here. Feel free to leave any comments about your experience this year, the past few days, today, and anything you've noticed personally about things, the way that life flows, especially if you're kind of into this and this is a conversation you're having with yourself or with others. I'd be curious to know. Yeah, just keep breathing. Okay. Thank you for being here with me. I think nope, they're not coming on. The water sprinklers. Nope. I'll see you next time. Bye.